What's up, guys? We got a VNL860 2024. We end up installing the alarm with the remote start. To arm it, you hit lock. The arms the alarm, disarm it. Remote start, you're gonna press this twice. Truck, I programmed it for diesel. It's gonna do all the cycling out. It's gonna remote start in a second. While we're waiting for that, I give them the app on the phone. This is the voltage of the battery, the signal of the unit. Lock, unlock. Okay, go ahead and unlock. That will turn off the alarm, I'm sorry. Tells you the run time. Turn it off so you guys can hear me. To turn it off, you hit it here. This is the voltage of the battery, the signal of the unit. Arm the alarm, disarm the alarm, remote start, turn off the truck. The run time will be here. GPS is here. Okay, this is not where the truck sleeps, so I can show location for privacy. Pretty much if the alarm triggers, you're gonna get the alert on the phone. We'll go ahead and do that in a second. I'm gonna go ahead and arm it, and then I'll bang on the window. So you get the alarm alert, okay? And somebody opens any of the doors, of course, that will set off the alarm. I'll go ahead and do that right now. Nothing has changed in the truck. Everything is pretty much the same. I think they might have changed a little bit here on this kick panel. It's a little thinner on the 2024. But other than that, everything is the same. Nothing really changed. Okay. There's a antenna over here for the alarm. It gives you this gives you the range on the remote, so you can arm and disarm it. It has nothing to do with the linker unit and the GPS or anything. But it has that blue light that's gonna flash at night, and it's got a button right here. That button is to put the alarm on valet, or take it out of valet, that sort of thing. This alarm was installed here in Miami, Florida by auto alarm specialists in this 2024 Volvo. If you guys are interested in getting this done in your semi trucks, you're gonna have to find a load in Miami. We do not know anybody in your wherever you live in your home state, or we don't sell the kits that you can do the install yourself, because of the fact that all the wiring is the same color in these trucks, and you really got to know what you're doing. So yeah, you're gonna have to find a load to Miami, and then we can get this done. It takes about an hour and a half, like this guy did. We thank you for watching this video. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814.